Well, hi everyone, and welcome to this presentation on the MarkUs Plagiat project. Today I'm going to show you all the different features that have been added to MarkUs concerning our project. So as usual, I just log as an administrator, because for the time being, only an administrator is allowed to perform a plagiarism detection. Then I go to the assignments section. Here you have all your current assignments, and you can choose any one of them, the one you want to perform plagiarism detection on. In this part, you have the usual tabs, properties, marking scheme, etc., test framework. And now you have a new tab here, plagiarism detection. So you just click on it. And you have access now to the plagiarism configuration. So the different elements you can set for your plagiarism detection. The first one being the scheduled detection date, which is the date you want to perform your plagiarism detection. So most of the time after collection date. So you just click on the small calendar here to choose this date, for instance 22nd of April 2011. Okay. This part here has not been implemented yet because we have had a few issues, but in the future it will allow you to exclude from detection some files. For instance, the files teachers give to students, because they've obviously been common between the different projects, and you don't want the detection to believe that they have been plagiarized, because they have not been. Okay. For the same reason, you can decide to exclude Java interfaces, because they have probably been common between the different projects. Then you can decide of the minimum similarity value, which is the threshold from which you want the detection to say that two projects are probably plagiarized the one from the other. So here 10% is either good value. And the last parameter is maximal number of detection report, which is the number of reports you want to be displayed about this detection. But here, if I just submit now, it says me that I forgot to give you this element. So I give 15, for instance, and I submit again. And here, that's okay. The plagiarism configuration is a success. And then you go back to your assignments list. So for the moment, that's all that has been implemented, because there's no link yet between the configuration and the actual work of detection. So of course, about what is left to do in this project, first of all, we have this finish this first UI implementation and this link between configuration and actual work of detection. And two other things that have to be considered is, first of all, to give access for students and graders to information about plagiarism, because for the moment that's only the administrator that have access to these elements. And the second point is to maybe add other languages to the detection, because for the moment we've only thought of Java source code detection, but text, PHP, C detection could be also added quite easily, as we showed one of the way to perform a detection on MarkUs. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. Bye bye.